What's up, everybody? My name is Wolf64. Welcome back to Let's Play Okami. Now, in the last part... Hello? Oh, it just turned into night. Okay, cool. Okay, so last part, we were able to, whatchamacall... Turn plants? No. It's, we were able to restore some part of the valley. Okay, that's a new... Oh, excuse me. That's a new brush technique in the bag. Now, Amy, before you go outside and forget what you're supposed to do, I have an important tip for you. Ready? Okay, then. If you ever forget what to do next, press the arrow keys, I'm guessing, to open the fan menu. Then, and then take a look at the logbook. You'll find your journal there. Okay. Amy, what about the withered guardian saplings on the other field? Bet you can revive it too. Blah 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 blah. Okay, cool. Your journal is record of the important dialogue you've heard. It shows all the important info you have in a very little head. Just dig it up and dig up the info the way I showed you, and you'll be able to recall important things. Your adventure will be a lot easier if you remember things. Also, remember first things first. Okay, let's get going. By the way, I'm going to be trying to play with Joy-Cons now, just to see if I can do the painting effect. But it doesn't look like... Oh, hello, you could have moved the camera. That way you could adjust the view. What's up, buddy?
Ricky, it looks like the river.
Excuse me, guy.
I did see Susanoo wasn't past here a little while ago. But surely it wasn't him who cleaned up the river, was it?
Nah, that wouldn't make any sense. Nope, it was your dear friend here. Alright, let's do this. Oh, hello. You dare challenge the great Okami? Come on. Oh, okay. Okay, hang on. Let's try that again. Hiya! And then hiya. Ooh. Hang on. I got you in midair. Now for you, my unfortunate baboon friend, hiya! And made it. Shin shan, fin flam, blim blam. And I got Sakura time. That's gonna give me bonus stuff. Not daisies. By the way, I have my dog in here. Well, she's my sister's dog, but still. A dog nonetheless. Okay. Let's get up there. You're gonna have to catch me, and you can't do that because I have hyperspeed. Okay, now that we're here, right? All right, and bingo! That actually worked. Oh, and it forced itself to daytime. Cool. And the darkness is no more. The land is free and everything is color. Ooh, what's over there? Ah, now this is pretty. There's gonna be so much for me to explore here now. Ooh, there's some treasure right there. And the faith continued to rise amongst my people. Well, then this curse can't. Curse sound is completely gone. The plants and animals are back. Just feel that fresh breeze. That's what I call great divine intervention. If you keep on dispelling the evil curse like this, I bet the gods of nature will lend you their powers. Sweetness. Is there any more nature gods around here? Hello. Is that a nature god itself right there?
Hey, that's Sequoia's tree, isn't it? Maybe she perked up because you revived my guardian sapling. Well, we can stop by and see her later. I mean, we're kinda on the road here. How about we take a look around? Change your feel first.
Okay.
You've been gone 100 years, right? A good run around the place will do you good.
Will do. We'll try that. But first things first. Treasure! You've obtained fleeting battle? Scroll drawn by wandering artist. Continue permission. Like, really? Alright. I can bark! I'm a wolfing bark! Well, it's an ARF dog. I'm an ARF dog. Woof! Okay, let's save. And if I remember correctly, I think I can upgrade myself a little bit onto the screen, right? Onto my fan, equipment. Solar energy. Oh, yes, okay. And it doesn't look like I have enough yet. Oh, wait, no, I do. Okay, so... Why does that need an upgrade? But anyway, okay. Honestly, the amount of ink that I have on hand is kind of nifty so far. So, I'll upgrade it later. For now, I will upgrade my solar energy. Alright, there we go. Now, let's explore around the field. Oh, there's still monsters around here. I would have thought for sure that, that clearing up all the curses right here is going to be able to say whatchamacall. Okay, get rid of this guy. Get rid of this guy. And get rid of this guy. Oh. Hello. You may take your dog. Huh? Recording. Okay, anyways. Yeah, sorry. I almost got interrupted, but... Okay, damage. Ah, it's just a regular tree. Alright. I think what we have to... Ah, jeez, hang on. Let's try this again. Hang on. Do I have to stand in the middle of this? Then... Oh yeah! That's how it rolls. Oh, look at all the little piglets! Look at the little piggies! I think they're piggies. Are these guys piggies? I don't know. But let's feed them some seeds. Can I skip this, please? Ah, whatever. I'm pretty sure it's just the faith of rice. It's rising stuff. Okay, anyways. Let's actually go back to the shop real quick. Most likely through there, I'm gonna be able to buy some more seeds and everything like that, and before we can do some quick exploration. Heading back to the village already, huh? Check your map again. Okay, I get you. Okay. Oh, there's still stuff. Okay, fine. Sounds good. Whatever. Alright. I just wanted to... Okay, so we can visit this place right here. Oh, hello. What's going on right here?
Wow! What's up with this old king? I don't like the look of it. It's just teeming with evil power. I can feel it. Still, you being a god now, we can't just ignore it. What do you think, my furry friend? We're going to do it, or what?
Yeah, might as well go through it. But Maybe we can purify it as it is like this. Nah, that didn't work. Okay, let's go. Whoa! Hang on. And then Shabuski. Hang on. I don't think I got them right. And then... What? Okay, again. Oh, hello. Oh, jeez. What the heck? Okay, you taunted me? You taunted me, fool? Yeah, you ain't got the real level of this. I'm a Tarasu, motherfuckers. We ain't gonna touch this. Okay, there's another one, right? Got him good. There we go. Damage, Sakura. Time, Sakura. And I got a whole bunch of monies. Alright, let's see what we got right here. Ooh, what's this? Oh. They're called Devil Gates.
Those monsters got a lot of nerve building things like that. Let's tear them down wherever we find them.
Sure. I mean, they're offering treasure, so why not? Hi. And then you've obtained Vengeance Slip. Paper depicting karmic backslash. Wait, karmic backslash? Temporary deflect enemies attack. Okay, cool. That's awesome. Alright, so we got more places to investigate, right? Up this hill. So let's get going up there. Ooh, hang on. Let's cut up right there. Ooh, got a potatoes. Yummy. Okay. Now let's check out this little area. Okay, we're reaching to a hut. Oh, there's another gate right here. Let's purify this place. Alright. Oh, you're a drum boy. Got a drummer boy. Hang on. Come on. Gotcha, drummer boy. Whoa! Ah, you miss. Where'd you go? Oh, where'd you go? Come on. Show yourself, ugly. Ooh. Did that hit me? Did that hurt me? You know, sometimes I can't tell if it hurts me or not. Whoop! You miss. Yeah. Got you on your noggin, you buffoon. Ah, jeez. Okay. Yeah. It hurts so bad. But he ain't taking me down so easily. And gotcha! Now that you're in midair, second slash! I get it? Oh no, there's two. Okay, two of your lackeys, bring it on. And easy. Ooh, hang on. Now easy as pie. Oh, more of you? Okay. Is that all of them? Ah, I had to ask. Where are you? Come on out. What are you, a monkey or a mole? Whoop. Ooh. Come on, let's go, buddy. Come on, let's go. Come on out. Oh. Ooh. Okay, that hurt me. That hurt me good. Yeah. Let's see if doing this does something. Oh, it does! Oh, got you good there, bud. Oh, and he runs around. Okay, now I know how to get this guy. Alright, show yourself! You has-been. Okay, and then... Shaboopy. Yeah. And there. Okay, just cover him with ink and then he'll be dead. And then... Oh. Slice and dice in midair. Oh, look at all that gold! Did you guys... Oh. The timing wasn't right. And whatever, I got a whole bunch of seeding anyways. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. And faith continues to rise within Amaterasu. And if you guys wanted, and so thank you so much for everyone for having faith within me. If you guys want to see, if you guys like the faith within this video, hit the thumbs up button, share the video as well, guys, to share the faith. Also, guys, if you guys want to share your own faith, comment down in the comment section down below. Once you guys share your faith and done all that, you can continue to see more faith in this game by subscribing and hitting that little bell so you guys don't miss out on anything. I am Super64. This has been Okami. Peace out and God bless you all.